Hey there, ambitious entrepreneurs. So, you're building your dream business and ready to take the plunge into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. But here's a question for you. Have you thought about safeguarding your hard work with the right insurance coverage? Don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to get insurance for entrepreneurs in the United States. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Assess your business needs. The first step in securing the right insurance for your business is to assess your needs. Consider the nature of your business, the size of your company, and the type of assets you own. Are you a sole proprietor or have a team of employees? Do you own valuable equipment or have a physical storefront? Understanding your unique situation will help you tailor your coverage effectively. Step 2. Understanding essential coverage. Next up, let's talk about the essential insurance coverages for entrepreneurs. The foundation of protection lies in three main policies. General liability insurance. General liability insurance shields you from financial risks arising from bodily injury, property damage, and advertising injuries. Imagine a client gets injured at your office during a meeting. This policy could be a lifesaver. Workers' compensation insurance. If you have employees, workers' compensation insurance is a must. It ensures that your team is protected in case of work-related injuries or illnesses. Taking care of your employees is essential for a thriving business. Business income insurance. What if a covered disaster damages your property, and you're unable to operate your business? Business income insurance can come to the rescue, providing funds to cover lost income, rent, employee wages, and even tax payments. It's like a safety net for your financial stability. Step 3. Consider a BOP. Now, let's explore a business owner's policy, BOP. Think of it as a one-stop shop for your insurance needs. Bundling general liability and property insurance together in a BOP not only saves you time but also money. It's customizable too. You can add extra coverage like professional liability insurance or data breach coverage to tailor it to your business. Step 4. Additional coverages. Depending on your industry and business specifics, there are other coverages you might consider. Commercial auto insurance. If your company uses vehicles, commercial auto insurance is crucial. It protects you from the financial aftermath of accidents involving your company-owned cars. Commercial property insurance. Safeguard your building, equipment, and inventory with commercial property insurance. It's your shield against unforeseen losses, like fires or thefts. Data breach insurance. In this digital age, data breaches are a real concern. Data breach insurance helps you respond to breaches of personally identifiable information and covers costs like notifying affected customers or employees. Professional liability insurance. For businesses providing services or products, professional liability insurance is a wise choice. It protects you from claims of errors or omissions in your work. Step 5. Understanding the cost. Now, you might be wondering, how much will all this cost me? Well, the cost of insurance depends on several factors. Company size and number of employees. Larger businesses with more employees may have higher premiums, as they have more exposure to potential risks. Coverage needs and type of assets. The coverage you choose and the type of assets you want to protect also influence the cost. Higher coverage limits and valuable assets may lead to higher premiums. Step 6. Get a quote. Now that you have a clearer picture of your business needs and the available coverages, it's time to get a quote. Reach out to a reputable insurance provider who can help you navigate the options and tailor a policy to fit your business like a glove. Congratulations! You've just mastered the art of getting insurance for entrepreneurs in the United States. Remember, insurance is a vital investment to protect your business and its future. So, don't delay, secure the coverage you need and focus on taking your business to new heights. One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you love our videos.